This is what agriculture looks like when everything is verified. From the moment a farm is mapped, activity is recorded. Satellite data confirms land history, and compliance follows from that same record. Dimitra is the system that connects farm data, compliance, and trade. It turns what happens in the field into data that can be trusted, verified, and used across the entire value chain. A farmer records planting, inputs, and harvest. Satellite data confirms land use and environmental conditions. Each activity is captured at the source and becomes part of a continuous record. When products move through the supply chain, that record moves with them. Compliance is generated directly from verified data. Every record traces back to what actually happened on the ground. Because today, proof is no longer optional. Without it, shipments are delayed, markets are restricted, and trust breaks down across the system. Dimitra supports entire ecosystems. Governments gain enforceable oversight. Cooperatives manage thousands of producers in one system. Exporters and buyers receive consistent, audit-ready documentation. Instead of disconnected records, everything operates within a shared system of truth. Data is captured once and reused across compliance, reporting, and trade. What used to be spread across different systems is now brought together in one place. It's easier to manage, easier to follow, and much easier to prove what's actually happening. In a regulated global market, data is infrastructure. Dimitra provides that infrastructure. Dimitra, the system of record for global agriculture.